see us in Savannah and Claxton. We have got discounts on all of our outdoor living. Right now we got it on grills. Our Green Mountain Grill, we have packages put together. The wood pellet grill, that is the best grill on the market. We have it discounted way down, best value in the area. Come over here to the Big Green Egg. We have got packages put together on all of our grills, all the way from the tailgater all the way to the extra large. All the accessories, all the cooking accessories you could ever want. You don't have to think about it, just get outside and grill.